Oh, what's up, everybody? Ooh, it's kind of late, that's why it's kind of dark, and it was raining earlier, but we're inside the building. So check out the windows. That's all the offices. The offices are gonna come off there. Look at the scale. Look at the scale. That's our conference room's gonna be over here. Inspection room, all offices are going to be all through there, and we're doing super high ceilings, collaborative space for editors, and everything is just going to be stunning. We got to think differently now. It's not just a machine shop, it is a machine shop, education facility, film studio. Getting ready for the construction to begin. These are all like 10-foot doors right there, 27-foot ceiling. Now, we're doing something special with this door. So this is 12 feet wide, but we're gonna actually cut and make the door bigger. So it's gonna be 14 feet wide, because we're gonna bring in some beast machines. More buildings. So yep, there's the ramp, there's the door. Come to this side. What's cool is like Grapevine Golf Course right there. It's drizzling a little bit, it's all good. Grapevine Golf Course. And this is Flower Mound. We're right on the border, which is awesome, because when they actually built this building, Flower Mound, the city basically said, hey, when you actually come into Flower Mound, this is one of the first things that you see on this freeway. So instead of one row of windows, it's got to be stylish. It's got to be awesome. So we got to do 2 rows. Boom, right? Check out the outside of it. It's awesome. A little bit of rain. Look, we already have getting the plants in here. Super good. Man, Lord is crazy. Like, dream come true right here. Amazing. Boom. Flower Mound, Texas. Oh, so awesome. We're 10 minutes from the Dallas-Fort Worth airport, right? It's literally right there. Water feature right out here. I love it because my employees, all the employees at Titans of CNC, they got big windows to look out over the golf course and all that. And oh man, what a blessing. Crazy life journey. Leaving California, coming to Texas. Boom, so good. It's so good. I'm super excited for my kids, my wife, my employees. I'm gonna be hiring new employees over here too, taking everything to the highest level. Check out the windows in the front. Like, look at that. We got a bunch of plants already delivered. That's the entrance right there. Titans of CNC, Texas, baby. Boom. And that's my truck over there. Crazy, right? I kept coming over using rent-a-cars, and so I was like, oh, I got my new house. So I measured my garage and went like literally to get the best truck I could get that would fit in my garage, because they have hail here, right? Got the Denali, the GMC Denali. Love that car. Love that truck. Absolutely amazing. Love it. Texas life. You know the craziest thing is about Texas? The people. The people are amazing. And like, I moved over here for a lot of different reasons, right? Because just it's a manufacturing state. The taxes are low. The cost of living is low. You can buy houses at just a crazy great price. It's in this area, the Dallas-Fort Worth suburbs. Like, it's just upscale, beautiful country, yet city at places. You go through, you see bulls and horses, and it is crazy, right? Just love it. But you go in and you actually talk to the people, and the people are just so genuine. I was at Starbucks this morning, and they're like, oh, what's your name? I said Titan. They're like, Titan, that's my dog's name, and this, and we get into this long story about life, and it's crazy. Everybody's just super nice. I love that. And even like the kids, they go to school and instantly they have all these friends and stuff. And then like I bought this beautiful house for my family. Beautiful house, definitely beautiful. Less expensive than the one that I'm selling in California. Less expensive and yet just beautiful, right? That's one thing when I was machining parts and doing things, you know, that's one of the, it was great, you know, I was able to provide a beautiful house for my family and stuff. But now we're in escrow, and I already closed on the house over here, and just get to come to work in Flower Mound. I bought a house in Keller, Texas, right next to a park, right next to, you can go on these crazy journeys through the woods and stuff, and like go for miles, like on these trails and stuff, mountain biking and running, and come out at the Keller Point. I joined Keller Point. It's a gym. You got water slides outside, you got water slides inside, you got lap pools, you got all the weightlifting equipment, you got a running track, right? And I go in. I actually pay for memberships for my employees. I offer it back in California, and one membership at Lifetime is like $140. Over here at Keller Point, with all of that, it was like, I was like, how much for my family? Like me, my wife, my kids, like $64. Like $64 for all that. Texas, baby, Texas, so good. You know, people are you're looking at me like, Titan, you're going to Texas. Like, I went in and talked to all my employees. I gave everybody an opportunity, and I said, hey, I'm going to actually give you guys a raise from California to go to Texas. The money, the taxes you pay are going to drop. Get out of these apartments, and you're going to buy a house. My son Tyson is buying a house. A bunch of our guys are buying houses over here. And, like, we're making a life change. We have over 100,000 students online. We're teaching. We're all over social media, but we don't actually work with anybody in California, and yet I'm paying the most taxes, the biggest taxes. Crazy. I always get this bill at the end. I'm like, wait, that means that I made this money. Like, where'd that go? You shop owners know what I'm talking about. Where'd that go? I put all my money into my employees. Like, I take care of my employees, you know, and it's crazy how they tax you. So now that we just have bigger plans, it's time to go to a bigger building, bigger roof, bigger power. Like this building, like we're bringing in bigger power, you know. You know what is cool? Like, I was just driving down this road. It was like raining and stuff, but it's like right there, 1 minute away when you're driving, you're right next to this beautiful lake, Lake Grapevine. You can rent boats over there. You can go eat and look out over the water and stuff. Just beautiful. And then you just take this turn, take another turn, you come right down to these buildings. So literally my employees can literally go to the lake, sit down with their lunch in 2 minutes and eat and just look out and just think about life. You know what I mean? Think about just what's important, how their families are in a house over here. Their kids are at great schools that are teaching their kids legit education, you know? And as an employer, I love that. I love that. Anyway, check it out. Boom. Glass feature right in there. Titans of CNC. Super cool. Who knew? Who knew? He knew, but crazy.